Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. So I'm going to share with you a small haul that I got in from Simon Says Stamp. And as soon as I saw this stamp set used by Sandy Allnuck, I had to get it. I love the size of the cupcake. I think it'll make really pretty birthday cards, and it's huge. I mean, it'll fill up the whole entire front of a A2 size card. You might need to go even like a 5 by 7 to really fit the whole thing comfortably and have room for a sentiment. And it has really great sentiments that come with it. This is from Newton's, I think it's Newton's Nuke. Yeah. And this is an Argyle stencil. So it has two stencils that you can layer the colors and create like an Argyle pattern, which would be a lot of fun using the dots for like Versamark, so that way you can like heat emboss it with the golds and stuff like that to make it really pretty. Now this one was part of Stamp Timber that was from Paper Smooches and Simon Says Stamp. This one was with Hero Arts, which I saw Amy R use and loved. Well, really, you could see her throughout the entire month use all of the Stamp Timber sets, and they were gorgeous. And then I was able to get, thankfully, the stamp set. All of the coordinating dies, if they had dies, were sold out. But I'm so excited that I got that. And I'm not even a big Halloween fan on the Brutus Monroe one, but you could put anything as long as it would fit inside, that globe shape. So it's going to be fun to use. Okay, thank you guys. There's going to be close-ups here at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. All of the Stamp Timber stamps you can't get anymore because they go out of stock as of September 30th. However, the cupcake one, this one from Colorado Company, should still be available, and Newton Nook's stencil. So I'll have links down below, and you guys have a great day.